Alright, Anycubic Cobra 3 Combo Edition. Been using it for about a week now. And to be honest, I think this is the better benefit than the Bamboo Labs Start Out Kit. So, with that being said, and since it's budget conscious, I think this is the better graph. I don't know. Y'all take somebody else's word for it if you don't believe me. But, yeah, man. So far, 1 weekend, and I mean like constantly running this thing. Has some little issues and things like that I don't like, but like, you know, cable management stuff. Other than that, it's a workhorse. Y'all be easy.